let me ask you this one question. Have you ever been in a room full of people, like maybe your friends, your family, and you still felt this weird emptiness inside you? Like, even though there are so many people around you, it feels like you are alone. If you have ever felt that way, just give me some few minutes and let's talk about it together. Yes, you are not the only one because I've felt that too, like so many times. And to be honest, many of us feel the same way, but maybe we are too scared or confused to talk about it. So today, let me help you understand why we feel this way and what can we do about it. Okay, first of all, understand this. Being alone isn't always wrong or a bad thing. Maybe someone likes their own company. Maybe someone likes to do things alone by themselves instead of doing it with a group of friends or family members. But when this feeling of loneliness comes, that's when this can start to hurt you. So, why does this happen? Why do we feel lonely even when we are surrounded by so many people? It's funny because sometimes being around with people doesn't stop us from feeling lonely. And no, there is nothing wrong with you because of that. Usually, many of us feel this way because we don't really feel connected with them. Like, yes, we are with people, but maybe we are not truly seen or heard by them. Like, you could have 50 people around you, but if no one really gets you, if no one listens to what's in your heart, then you'll still feel alone. Or maybe we are trying to fit in so much that we stop showing our real self. We think like, if I'm not always happy, fun, or perfect, then people won't care about me. And then we start to hide how we really feel. Sometimes it's also because we expect that being with people should make us feel happy. And when it doesn't feel like that, we feel even worse. And then we blame ourselves. And slowly, we start feeling like no one really sees the real us. Have you ever felt like you are wearing a mask even with your friends? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So, what happens is when we feel lonely, when we are not actually alone, it can still feel really heavy and makes our heart feel tired. And we may start overthinking like, is there something wrong with me? Why can't I feel happy even when I have people around? And over the time, it can make us feel sad or even angry at ourselves. And then we might also stop enjoying those small things which once used to make us happy. And worst of all, we start to believe that we don't deserve to be seen or loved for who we really are. But let me tell you, that's not true. You deserve to feel seen, you deserve to feel loved. So, is there anything we can do about it? Well, yes. Look, there is no magical formula for this, but I'll share some small and simple steps that I've tried myself and I know you can do it too. Number one is stop keeping your feelings inside. Please talk about how you really feel, even if it's just with one person. It could be your best friend, your sibling, your parents. And I understand if you have no one to talk to. It's not like we don't have people around us. It's like we just can't share it with them because of our personal reasons. And I was one of them too. So for that time, I started writing all of my thoughts and emotions in my diary because the more you'll share, the lighter you will feel. Number two is start enjoying your own company. This is something you can't develop in just one night. You have to practice it again and again. So ask yourself, what makes me happy? Do you remember, like many of us used to draw a lot when we were kids? Like those mountains, those rivers, and the sun. And no matter what's happening around us, we are just too focused in that because we love doing that at that time. And over the time, we stop doing everything which once used to make us happy. Yes, we can't be kids again, but try to spend some time alone with the things you love to do. It's like picking a hobby. It could be drawing, reading, listening to music, going for a walk, and the list goes on. So when you start to enjoy your own company, that feeling of emptiness, it starts to shrink. Number 3 is try to connect deeper with people. This is something I've learned from a friend of mine. So the next time you are with someone, instead of just talking about random stuffs, try to ask them how they really are. And you can share something small about yourself, and slowly the real connection will start to grow. And you will find people who really matches your energy and your vibe. Trust me, that actually works. Also, remember that building connections takes time, so be patient with yourself. So, I just want to say feeling alone doesn't mean you are weak, it means you are human. And being human means we all want to be feel seen, heard, and loved. So, don't be too hard on yourself. Take small steps and know that you are not alone in this journey. If this video made you feel a little bit understood, leave a comment and tell me how you feel. And let's help each other to feel a little less alone. Also, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more talks like this. That's it for this video. Don't forget to check my other social media platforms, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving and take care of yourself.